Vanlal, I know that we traveled together yesterday. We had a terrible travel, by the way, right? He must be dehydrated, but he's going to give all his 100% tomorrow. Vanlal, few words from you. And also people watching in Mizoram, invite them for tomorrow's fight night.
I want to say my language. Mizo mi puite. Kani helda tura minot support ta minot traw yo tur chain le tur chawin le. Minot na muna minot chaw tur chain. Som chawa to go opponent. Is my opponent also I give my respect. Come and give me a good performance. I want to see a best performance. Thank you.
All right, step forward for an official face-off.
Look forward.
Arvinder ji, what is the advice you want to give them for tomorrow?
All the best for him.
How many rounds you will take him tomorrow?
No, he's seen his fight of yesterday. He's a good boxer. Let's see how many rounds.
Vanlali has been watching your fight. How many rounds you will take him tomorrow?
He also I see his fight is a good, and I don't set up in how many rounds, but game is a game. Game is coming over tomorrow night.
But 4 round से ज़्यादा मैं नहीं खेलने दूँगा.
All right, we got the ring commander standing here. This command is going to make you stop and start the fight. With that, we all can stand together for a picture.